This is the continuation part of the before video of polymorphism, and I'm going to explain about the slide 2. So now let's move on to the fourth pillar of object oriented programming called abstraction. In this slide, you are mainly focused on abstract class, abstract methods, and interfaces. Abstraction means hiding unnecessary implementation details and showing only the necessary and essential features to the user. Think about a driver driving a car. So, when you press the accelerator, the car moves forward. You don't see and you do not need to know how the engine, fuel, injection system, and internal components work. You simply use the functionality without worrying about the internal implementation. This is abstraction. Abstraction helps reduce complexity and makes programs easier to understand and maintain. Java provides two ways to achieve abstraction: abstract classes and interfaces. Let's start with abstract classes. An abstract class is a class declared using the abstract keyword. It cannot instantiate it directly. So, which means we cannot create objects of an abstract class. Abstract classes are designed to be inherited by other classes. They may contain both abstract methods and normal methods. Abstract classes provide a common blueprint for related classes. Now let's understand about abstract methods. An abstract method is that has a declaration but no implementation. It contains only the method signature and ends with a semicolon. Any class inheriting from the abstract class must provide an implementation for all abstract methods. This ensures that child classes define their own specific behavior. Finally, let's discuss interfaces. An interface is a completely abstract blueprint because used to define a set of behaviors. It contains method declarations that implementing classes must define. A class uses the implements a class uses the implements keyword to implement an interface. Interfaces support multiple inheritance in Java and allow unrelated classes to share common behavior. For example, a vehicle interface can be implemented by car, bike, and bus classes, which providing its own implementation of the same method. To summarize, in this lesson, we learned about polymorphism and abstraction, two powerful pillars of the object oriented programming. Polymorphism allows one interface to have multiple forms, while abstraction hides implementation details and exposes only essential functionalities. Together with encapsulation and inheritance, these concepts form the foundation of object oriented programming in Java. Mastering these four pillars will help you build scalable, manageable, and professional Java applications. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.